Okay, today I'm on the way to Sanya in Hainan. It's about 11.5 hour drive, and we're going down there because it's an awesome place to go. A lot of investment happening down in Sanya, a lot of infrastructure, very good for tourists, and I believe cruise ships are going there as well, so it's a big market. So I've just got the car serviced, and I'm on the way. Okay, we're just preparing to go. I've got my bike in the back, I've got my suitcase, I've got some water, I've got some snacks. Just go and fill up, and then we're driving down to Sanya. I believe it's about a 12-hour drive, so we're starting off at 2. We'll be lucky to get there at 2 in the morning, but maybe take it easy and stop on the way. But road trip! I'm just waiting for my fellow road trip, a good friend of mine called Fernando. He's El Presidente and comes from Peru. I call him El Presidente. And his son we call the Don. He also comes from Peru. Two very intelligent people. We're going to have a great time on our ride down to Sanya and see what's happening. So, what's this guy doing here? Like, electric vehicles are everywhere, man. Look at mine. I'm taking mine to Sanya. First stop of the road trip. We just stopped in a local petrol station. There's a lot of guards around as well, I don't know why. Fernando's going to drive, which is great. Means I can do other things like, I don't know. So we're on the way to Zhongshan, and then after Zhongshan we're going to go to Sanya. So it's going to be a 2-day trip, which is awesome. Road trip! We're on the way down to Zhongshan, and then we're going to Sanya. It's going to be awesome. Hope everyone's having a great time. Yeah. Take it easy. Well, we've just done a 6-hour drive from Zhongshan down to Zhongshan, which is kind of halfway between here and Hainan Island. So we're going to stop here, and the first place we've come to is Mr. Robin's. It's a nice American style restaurant, very nice. Zhongshan is very famous for seafood, so we're going to see someone later, see what kind of business we can do. And now time for a quick beer. Take it easy. Just having a beer! Yes! Hi guys, just to the hotel now. It's been a long day. It's 1:30 in the morning, a little bit tired. We've had 2 business meetings, and we did a long drive, maybe 6 hours down to Zhongshan. Zhongshan is very famous for seafood, which is an interesting commodity, and also a few other things. It's a developing city, so good time in Zhongshan. We met a lot of people, and now it's time for bed, so speak to you later. Bye. Here we are at the ferry to Sanya. They look old ferries, these do. I hope we're okay. We're just having our passport checked and everything, and then we'll get in the queue onto one of these boats. Pretty awesome, huh? Well, that was pretty awesome. We ended up on a ferry. Just parked the car over there. And now Let's go and see what's happening up here. So we're on the ferry, we're heading to Hainan. Just here is still China, this is the motherland. And over there is Hainan Island. Haikao is the capital, and we're going to go around the coast to Sanya. Sanya is more of a tourist destination. A lot of infrastructure going on there, so we're going to go and have a look over there. Just arrived in Haikao. Haikao is the capital city, and we've come to a shopping district in Haikao. We've got Decathlon, Pizza Hut, Uniqlo, some major brands. So it looks good. Well, even got a My Gym look. We made it! Just arrived in the hotel. It's not a bad hotel. It could be better. Let me check the bed. Oh, hard like a nail. Good morning. We just woke up in Sanya. We're in a Hawaiian hotel. Not a very good hotel, but it's okay. I'm just going to go around on my scooter, go and see what's going on. Look for a good place to go for breakfast. So let's see. Good morning. Wow, what a fantastic place. Look at this for a beach. Right now it's not Chinese New Year yet, so the not so many people. Still quite a few people. This will be packed next week, completely packed. But you can see all the people, they're wearing clothes. They're not wearing swimming wear. This is China people. They don't really like the sun. So I'm going to take a look around, see what we can find. Wow, what a fantastic day. The beach is over here, absolutely fantastic, and we just found the best Italian restaurant. We're gonna go and check it out and have a chat and see what's happening. Beautiful place. Restaurants all the way down here. Restaurants all the way down here. So let's go and have something to eat. Finally down at the ocean. Beautiful here. Not so many people. We're heading over to here, these 4 buildings later, but just feeling the water around my feet. Oh, it's been too long away from the sea. Just did Haikao, just did Sanya, did a lot of meetings, a lot of people, and now we're heading back. So it's a bit late now, we'll probably be driving most of the night, but in the morning. We've driven all the way back from Sanya on the ferry across, 2 hours, and now we're almost back. I've got 1 more hour to go and end of our road trip. And it was a great road trip. I managed to do lots of things, put my feet in the sea, which was fantastic, and meet a lot of people and discover a lot more about Haikao opportunities and Sanya opportunities. So I'm Paul Jolley. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel because I'm awesome. Why not? Take it easy, guys.